So, old joke, right?
Yes, we feel like it. This is a slow one. We're kind of still testing it out, so let us know what you think.
turmeric.
Our second original.